think you should. Yeah.
Yes, welcome to me and Love Hooker Friends to another round of Skippy Zockt International. I present you today from Start Now the Taste Generation 3 Blizzard. Appearance and cut. The tobacco is in a nice red color. The molasses is well indented. It's a pretty fine cut. The tobacco is ready to smoke. Smell. I whole thing is supposed to be a lemon kiwi, and that's what I can confirm. At the first I get a nice fresh sour lemon touch in my nose. The kiwi also smells clearly. The smell is very fresh, very sweet, and is of the smell of a perfect summer tobacco. Taste. As with the smell, I infinitely had a sour lemon note followed by a fresh sweet kiwi, and it is also a light cool to taste. Tobacco also confirms its taste perfect summer tobacco. Best jet nice with ice bazooka. Smoke development. The smoke development is a beautiful white dance and lasts for a long time. The smoke does not scratch and not presses also in the neck. Setup. So the setup is my standard setup: AIM-Deluxe triangle head, AIM-Deluxe fireplace assay, AIM-Deluxe screen file. The head just over the edge. 3 black cocoa carbon on it. And the hooker is my AIM-Deluxe Feather Seal SS05 again. Price wise you get 200 grams for €13.90 and $14.80. Let's get to the review. Appearance and cut, 5 of 5 points. Smell, 5 of 5 points. Taste, 5 of 5 points. Smoke development, 5 of 5 points. Price performance, 5 of 5 points. And total 5 of 5 points. Yes, my dear hooker friends, if you like the video but like that dear, if you're new here, you can be subscribed here, and here you come to my last video. All social media sites where you can find me under the video description. I'm your SkippyShisha. Skin pure until the next time. I wish you good smoke.